Ask me, man, Jamaica, they come from here. Jamaica hot, 96 degrees in the shade. Your Sammy is a wicked man. I come into foreign America. And you know, say, now I come to Miami, I'm hot here. We come here, I say, no. Somebody shift the state. You don't get them bring fridge come on, man. No, it's serious, then turn up the temperature, man. I turn it down, which man? I turn it down, yeah. But Miami is cool. I like the cold, though, because at least you can warm down with the cold, don't it? When it's hot, though, yeah. You know, why, sometimes I say why people leave Jamaica, but I know why they leave. Apart from the temperature, I know his violence down there wicked. No, Jamaica is a serious place, after Jamaica for real, you know what I mean? It's like, you know, I see the kids in there and I'm saying, oh, the kids look so happy here, you know what I mean? It's nice. Now the kids are happy in Jamaica. But, you know, at least the kids in Jamaica, you know, they get beaten, them kids are not getting no beaten up. Actually, they don't get no beaten up here. People look at me, because look at me. It's the Gunter look at him. Gunter get enough beating. If I see the Anglo Jamaica. No, look how Gunter head big. It's a beating yet. If there's some beating, and I'll know it not go okay. It's one big cocoa. One big cocoa. You ever see the swelling on the left and the right side? You get most of the lip on the forehead part of the swelling. I know, so the Jamaican parents have beat you and now my beating you get it. Don't it? Now if you don't grow like a Negro, I get enough lick, trust me, no more beating. Trust me, no, I'm the expert on beating. I can tell you how everything feel. From maca stick to pot cover, I can tell you. They get beat with it. Belt, buckle, no, look at me, trust me. You know, belt, fan belt. Jesus. If you get one fan belt lick, you ever get bent up in a hess? I mean, that hess, Miss One. I don't get regular hess now, and the scrub one, the scrub. Yeah, the cursive hess. Mad me. No, people when Jamaican parents are lick you know them wicked. Mommy, yeah, smack, you know, you such a feel. See, boy, them turn out good now, the beating work on him. And that when the beating, you turn out good, you know. Can't work for you, you know. But me, I tell you, when I used to get beaten till, you know, you get beaten till you forget yourself. And then Jamaican parents have beat you, and I tell you not to cry. How that work? Okay? And whenever I lick you, they lick you, even that same things that they beat you, you get licked for every word. Me, then you say you're nothing. Hey, tell me why. No, you ever get beaten until your body have to cry? Like you can't make it nice, so your body have to Why your breath stop? You ever think No, I can get some seriously, man, I tell you no lie. And my mother and you know, I'm straight. Women, I don't know who know I'm so straight. How will you go in a car and the stone come when they come in here? No, it's a thing and then she used to steal the pot cover like a frisbee. You know frisbee? But my mother knows it was a special fling. So it licked me and come back to her. You know she did. It's like a boomerang. You don't know how she do it, people, but she was good. But you can tell that Jamaica the people get more beating because they have more chip on them head than the rest of them. Poor thing they don't make it, man. Now, beating is a serious thing. They call it what? Corporal punishment. Some of you forget more the corporal punishment. Some criminal out there forget some more corporal punishment. Then when I come like a little bit, look better, yeah? Sure, trust me, that is. I really think, man. No, me never afraid to get beaten on Jamaica until one necessary female, man. You ever afraid to get beaten that way, man, get beaten heavy. You're bad female. No, not if I'm doing my friend. Yeah, boy! I'm becoming a human government of stop man. There's a one thing I said, my boyfriend, so I'm not even be a boyfriend. Can you hear what I'm doing? No, I used to fret as a big deal, especially when somebody, because in Jamaica back in the day, not now, because it's not the same way, the village used to grow, you know. And me alone grow, sir. Trying to make your neighbor see you on the street, you know. Because when they was there, I said, Johnny, as I'm going to tell your mother. Me I go home, no go tell her. You know, I say when my children go to church, you know, man, send them to church. When they come to church and they're filled with the Spirit, see, they live more confident and can face life. They have that confidence like a Usain Bolt type of confidence. What did Usain Bolt type boss? At least they may tell him inspire me. When they say Usain Bolt on the track, him inspire me. It's like, you know, when you watching the Olympics, when Jamaica went 1, 2, 3 in the race, what body, man? They say people, everybody in my yard watch Olympics. Because my yard on the flat screen TV. So we call it flat screen, because poor uncle didn't even know used to them something there. So them see them say, the flat screen look nice, you know. The flat screen, man, flat screen, man. And I say, you can't say screen. I say, no, that screen, man, that screen out. It's a ball out. They might think they knew, they might ball out, so they might screen, man, that screen there. Me have no family, somebody my real country, me not me. I never share my family sometimes, I'm tired to that church, me now, you know. Sometimes you share my family sometimes.
Yes, man.
Yeah? Me and one sister, believe me, and one sister. I have to pause the story I tell you about. I have a sister, God bless her, believe me, man. Me love her, but one day me shame her. Eh? Me and I take the bus. She did that, I go down in the back of the bus. I said, remember, we soon come off. She said, no, I forgot my get comfortable. Sit down on the seat. Look to her left, look to her right, and pop out one cigarette. So I said, you cannot smoke. Why I can't smoke here? Eh? And I pay my fear. You know, so that's why you're a voice raise. Let's go close to each other and say, stop. We call the doctor and say, let me have it. As soon as they come off, drive. Embarrassment, man. Can't take embarrassment. And people mentally say, me I walk me in the bathroom and will show everybody over my yard. All of a sudden, me will have excitement screaming and going outside. Me say, what is going on from inside? Somebody say, the 200 meter run and everybody on the race. Shut it down. Me say, why you see that again? Hurry up and soap up my body. I say, let me not soap up it. I say, the water come slow. And all of a sudden, me race start. And me telling me, look, me screaming and bubble up. And me say, no, me have to catch the race. People, wash off quick. Because trying to tell me, and go outside. And me say, buddy out there, yeah. And me see water come down the corner. And then me see parchment. And then me see where and me start jumping everybody. And the house I get excited. And then I say, yeah, go, Pastor, go, yeah. And me start jumping. And I say, yeah. And then I saw the people. Everybody else start jumping. And me alone, I jump. Then we feel a cool breeze. Look at me down here, man. Look at you on the step. I love you, big up for the step now, every time. Thanks for the support. Love for the sting.
I'm gonna do record. I went gone. I'm a record. Yo. So he just gone, so I'm in the record.
I tell you, I feel like this is a married to white man. I feel like the family colorful. No, I'm the family colorful body. I have one niece and my Chinese man today. No, me say, well, look at this one, Johnny God, I'm for really one. I'm not regular fan, I'm going to go to China. I'm going to come America, you know. The time I say, look at China, nice to meet you, relative. No, I like the way. I can't wait for my next needs grow up, you know. I don't know which I will go, but I say careful, you know. Well, she'll be careful like ginger race, she go to, you know. Careful. People, I was in Trinidad recently. People, they never treat me good going in Trinidad. Going into immigration. I know Trinidad have a problem, right? They have a mixed race. They have the Indians and the blacks. So they don't really like blacks so much. So my wife black and me. So you see the problem, right? Kind of my relationship and me and the brownie. No, the rest of man no reach fair share yet. You have to get more black, you have to work up yourself. Deep rich black man, I'm there that rich black woman. And I tell her, say, if we go with our problem, especially if people don't like black people. So sometimes we go to that fire and say, you stay home and they don't like you. After she couldn't even catch a plane tonight. And so, but I tell her, say, when we got to Trinidad, it was interesting because when the lady said to me, say, sir, you gotta tear the patty. I said, what? The patty? When I bring three people, we don't run the patty through the X-ray machine. She said, sir, you gotta break the patty. I said, yeah, I insist on break the patty then. You have to break the patty, sir. If you ain't break the patty, you can't get me. Say, I'm going near my 12 miles in front of you. And near me all and in front of you. I will say I'm out water, lay bam. I will say I'm careful, say, well, give me wife your rest. So we should have yam them off. They think I'm going to mash up my patty, they got sadness here. No, Jamaican people we must know we're special people, we must make people take step out. We are special people. No, Chocho, not nobody is special, but we are special people. And if you know that they're special, God love we. How if you know God love us, you know? God is a Jamaican. No, man, leave now. I think it's one excellent. No, I think God was a Jamaican would have
problem.
Would have more problem. I know when I get high one night, I forget to one thing. Why we just love it? Where's our bridging? Don't say a word, don't say a word. I hear you. But for those who know Tess and Chin, let me see, put your hand in here. You know Tess and Chin?
Yeah.
You guys watch the
Chinita.
John, I'm going to put it on again, which is Tess and Chin.
Chinita, good at.
Chinita, good at. Adam didn't like Tess and Chin.
Yes.
I'm going to see it.
No.
Adam like Tess and Chin.
Yes.
I'm going to try to tell her, you know. But she not hear me. Right? So one of my friends go tell her. One of my skater girlfriend. My skater girlfriend, I talk to her. I don't know what happened, but all of a sudden, I see my skater girlfriend, I get kicked out of the Tess and room or whatever. What happened? So I asked her here and to me. She said, Johnny, I never thought the things them to her in Johnny because Tess and she too nice. She said, Adam want her, I don't know she don't want Adam. What is she? All of us does say, to me, I'm in bed. And what is she? She said, I don't want her. You know, oh, you want her. Oh, me know, say, I don't want her, Johnny. He invite her, Ganyal. I meet her mother. Johnny from a man make him meet her mother. Yeah. So I say, you know, say, Tessa is married, right? So I'm my mother. How many times I need the money? People, I'm going to leave it there. My love, please invite me back. Christopher Jolly is my name.